Have you ever visited an electronics store and wanted to speak English confidently?
Do you know how to ask about prices, features, and recommendations in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation at an electronics store.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for shopping at electronics.
Hi, Paul. What are you doing today?
Hi, Emily. I'm going to buy a new pair of headphones.
Really? What's wrong with your old ones?
They stopped working last week.
Oh no, that's unfortunate.
Yes, so I need a new pair.
Can I come with you?
Of course. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to Tech World. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for wireless headphones.
Certainly. Do you have a budget?
Yes, I'd like to spend around $100.
Great. We have several options. Which brand do you recommend? These brands are very popular.
Can I try them?
Of course.
Wow, the sound quality is excellent.
They look comfortable too. They also have noise cancellation.
That's exactly what I'm looking for.
What about this model?
It looks nice.
This one has a longer battery life.
How long does the battery last?
Up to 30 hours.
That's impressive.
Which one is cheaper? This model costs $80.
And the other one?
It's $110.
That's a difficult decision.
I think the cheaper one is good enough.
Maybe you're right.
Would you like some time to decide?
Yes, please.
Which one do you prefer?
I like the more expensive one.
Why?
Because the sound quality is better.
That makes sense.
And the battery lasts longer.
Then you should buy the one you really want.
I think I will. Okay, I'd like to buy these headphones.
Excellent choice.
Do they come with a warranty?
Yes, they include a 1-year warranty.
Great.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Will you pay by cash or card?
I'll pay by card.
Perfect.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new headphones. Congratulations on your new headphones.
Thank you.
Are you happy with your purchase?
Very happy.
What will you listen to first?
Probably some music.
Sounds fun.
Thanks for helping me decide.
Anytime. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for shopping at electronics.
Practice English every day to improve your listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.